Hello friends, this is Amit, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. Here we have a short video based on cubes and dices. So let's see our question. The question says, a wooden cube is painted blue on all four adjoining sides and green on two opposite sides, that is top and bottom. It is then cut at equal distance at right angles 4 times vertically top to bottom and 2 times horizontally along the sides as shown in the figure, where the dotted line represents the cuts made. Study the diagram and answer the following questions. How many cubes are formed in all? So we have been given 4 options and we need to choose one correct option, right? So friends, we'll go that step by if we go step by step. What has been given, they are saying that for the 4 adjoining sides, that is, it is painted with blue color, right? That is 4 adjoining side is painted with blue color. So this side and this side, that is these two sides are painted with blue color, and the opposite side which are not visible are also painted with blue color, right? And what had happened, and then the top and bottom is painted with green color. That is, top is painted with green color and the bottom is painted with green color. So the figure will look like this. Then they are saying the cut is made like the vertical cut and the horizontal cut are made. And what happened, the cut, like 2 cuts are made from this side. That is, if you see carefully, this is one cut and this is second cut, vertical one, and this is third cut and this is fourth cut, vertical one, right? So these 4 cut and 2 cuts horizontally, which means this one and this one is the 2 cuts horizontally. Now they are saying that how many cubes are there. So when they ask that how many cubes are there in all, there is no point of painting this cube, right? So we can see that the painting of cube is just given to distract you from the actual question, right? So the actual question says only that 4 cuts are made vertical and 2 horizontal as shown in the figure. So 4 cuts are there as shown in the figure. You can see that these cuts are made. So how many cubes will form? This is just the question. So you can easily see that how many cubes are formed. You can see that in this figure 1, 2, 3 cubes are, that is on the column side, right? And 3 cubes are there in the row side. So you can see 3 into 3, that is 9 cubes are there in one row. And if you see the depth 1, 2 and 3, there are 3 cubes that depth is there. So if we see that how many cubes, if we need to count how many cubes will be there, we can directly count with the help of this row, column and the depth, right? That is length, breadth and height, we can see. So length is of how many cubes? 3 cubes length is there, right? So you can say that there is a 3 cube length is there in length. If we see how many cubes are there, 3. In width, how many cubes are there? 3. And in height, how many cubes are there? 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 will give us total number of cubes, that is coming out to be 3 into 3 9, 9 3 is 27. So 9 into 3 is 27. So it is giving us 27 as the number of cubes in total. We have, so it becomes option C becomes the answer, right? So it's straightforward question. See, you can also see with the help of cuts you can directly give the answer. See, if we are marking marking 2 cuts on one side, right, it gives us 3 cubes, that is 3 sections, right? So 2 cuts on each side will give us 3 cube, that is 3 and 3 cubes, right? So it will give us 27 cubes, right? You can also observe carefully this figure and you can directly also give the answer. As you can see that in one section there are 9 cubes, so there are total 3 sections are there like this, so there will be total 27 cubes. Okay, this is pretty simple question which you can give directly answer. Okay, thank you everyone.